Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to use the NUITEQ Chorus add-on in Google Classroom. You'll learn how to access the add-on, send Chorus assignments to your students, and review student work, all without leaving Google Classroom. Start by opening Google Classroom and selecting the class you'd like to work with. Next, click on Classwork, then choose Create and select Assignment. In the Assignment window, look for the Add-ons button and search for NUITEQ Chorus. Then install the NUITEQ Chorus add-on from the list. Once the Chorus add-on is open, you can browse your existing Chorus lesson activities and Symphony whiteboards. Select the assignment you would like your students to complete. From here, Chorus will automatically attach the assignment to your Google Classroom post. You can now add assignment details like instructions, points, and due dates, just as you normally would in Google Classroom. When you're ready, click Assign to send the Chorus activity to your students. Students will receive the assignment in Google Classroom and can open it directly to begin working. To review student work, return to the assignment in Google Classroom and click on it. Here you will be able to review student responses, track progress, and gain insights into student understanding, all in one place. With the NUITEQ Chorus add-on for Google Classroom, assigning and reviewing interactive lessons and Symphony whiteboards is faster and more streamlined than ever. Less time managing tools and more time focusing on teaching.